Wow, that is a lot of dog hair. Oh, it's bad. 5 months ago, I installed this shop vac filter guard. It's supposed to protect the filter in your shop vac and make things easier to clean. That way you're just cleaning that fine mesh filter and not even have to clean or replace your shop vac filter. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the video in the card. It'll go back to that original video. I cleaned out the entire vacuum, got a brand new filter, installed the guard, and it's been 5 months of cleaning vehicles. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Wow, that is a lot of dog hair. Oh, it's bad. But did it protect the filter underneath? Some stuff still went through into this filter, which is kind of to be expected. This isn't going to protect everything. It's going to protect all the big stuff. This is just light dust. So the filter that's here is just light dust. So all I'm going to do is just get all the fine dust out of it. Yeah, it's really, really fine stuff that went through. In fact, if you want, there. Now I don't have to replace it. I don't have to get it wet and wash it and all that. It's just fine dust. And that's totally fine. You don't have a lot of particles, big particles, inside of the filter at all. Fine dust is going to get through. That's obvious. But this filter will last many, many years because it's just fine dust that you can blow out and put it right back in and put the cover on. Now, this filter, oh, all the heavy dog hair and particles and everything got onto that. At least this is not on your filter, because it's way more difficult to clean all those particles out of your filter than it is this. This mesh bag is, well, it's actually all clean now. Just little things here and there. If you want to wash it out, you could rinse it out, let it dry. It's actually in really good condition. So all the fine, fine, fine dust will go through the mesh. All the heavy junk will get caught on top. That's what I'm concerned about with the filter. I don't want all that junk in the filter. I want it on this mesh on the exterior. It makes it very easy to clean. And here's the rest of all the junk that was in the vacuum. I'm not going to clean this out completely. I just want all the heavy stuff out. Now, as far as the innards of the vacuum here, everything is clean. There's no dust in here at all. It is perfectly clean. It's awesome. So I'm going to reinstall this filter and then reinstall the mesh, cinch it tight, and there we go. That worked really, really well. All right, there, vacuum is put back, cover's on, we're good to go. So maybe you thought when I was gonna open up that vacuum, the white filter inside was gonna be perfectly clean. If you thought that, you may have been misled or you may be thinking incorrectly. That filter guard is not going to catch everything. It's just a pre-filter to the filter that's already in there. What the shop vac filter actually caught was just the finest of dust. Whatever is going to filter through that cover mesh, that filter guard, that's what's going to go into the filter, but it's just very, very light dust that you can blow out easily and put right back. All of the dog hair and heavy particles, and who knows what else we're vacuuming in these nasty cars, that's what's going to get caught up in the filter guard. So don't be misled. Don't think that it's going to protect your original filter 100%. That's not what it's for. It's catching all the big stuff. That way you don't have to clean the shop vac filter so extensively. So I hope that people understood that. They're probably going to watch the original video and maybe misunderstand. But I mean, using logic and some common sense, you'll understand that that mesh, that filter guard, is just catching the big stuff. All of the super fine stuff that'll make its way through will get caught in the filter, the shop vac filter that's in the inside. But again, it's easy to clean, and it's doing its job. So once again, guys, I hope that information was helpful. And if you want more information about detailing, we have a new podcast. So go check out this podcast right here about the best detailing products. Is there such a thing?